गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार, वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। दिस इज़ पूजा। डियर एस्पायरेंट्स, आज इस वीडियो में हम सभी लोग बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। प्रीवियस वीडियो में वायरसेस टॉपिक से हम लोगों ने 15 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए थे। आज उसके आगे के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे और आज का हमारा टारगेट रहेगा 100 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कराने का, क्योंकि हमने आपसे प्रॉमिस किया है बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन में जितने भी हमारे पास टॉपिक हैं उसमें हर एक टॉपिक के 100 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, तो हमने जो अपना फर्स्ट टॉपिक वायरस चूज़ किया है, यहाँ से आप 100 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे जो कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है और सभी वनडे एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। तो हम लोगों ने 15 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लिए थे और आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। चलिए सभी लोग आंसर करने की कोशिश करेंगे और क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे। चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ रिस्क ऑफ ओवर कॉजिंग एंटीबायोटिक्स टू ट्रीट इन्फेक्शन। आपके पास ऑप्शन है बैक्टीरिया में बिकम रेजिस्टेंट टू एंटीबायोटिक्स, एंटीबायोटिक्स इंक्रीज द रेट ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, एंटीबायोटिक्स कॉज अदर डिजीज टू डेवलप, या फिर एंटीबायोटिक्स ओनली वर्क वंस। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बैक्टीरिया में बी बिकम रेजिस्टेंट टू एंटीबायोटिक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ अ माइक्रोब लैक्स द बेसिक सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर टू रिप्रोड्यूस, हाउ डज इट मेक copies of itself? By creating new cells, by combining an egg and a sperm, by using the structure of the host cell, by dividing the nucleus to make two new microbes. तो यहाँ पर आपका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, बाय यूजिंग द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द होस्ट सेल कैन रिप्रोड्यूस इट सेल्फ कॉपी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a strong structure that acts like a shield for the virus called the cell wall, cell membrane, protein coat जिसे कैप्सिड भी कहते हैं, नन ऑफ देम। यहाँ हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, प्रोटीन कोट या फिर कैप्सिड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बैक्टीरियल सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज एक्सिन, strep throat, syphilis, none of them. Correct answer option number C, syphilis. Next question, which of the following is true for both bacteria and viruses? Both contains genetic material. Can be killed using antibiotics, have a cell membrane, have a protein coat. Now correct answer is option number A. Option number A is correct answer. Next question, viral respiratory disease, AIDS, cold, warts, none of them. Correct answer option number B, cold is viral respiratory disease. Next question 22, prokaryotes do not have a nucleus. Which of the following is an example of prokaryotes? Virus, plant, bacteria, fungi. Correct option is C, bacteria. Correct answer option number C, bacteria. Next question 23, a type of asexual reproduction in which an organism replicates in DNA and divides in half, producing two identical daughter cells. Conjugation, binary fission, endospore, nitrogen fixation. Correct answer option number B, binary fission. Next question, up to what percentage of bacteria are killed by bacteriophage every day? 40%, 35%, 43%, none of them. Now correct answer is option number A, 44%. Next question number 25. Which of the following is found inside a prokaryotes? Cytoplasm, DNA, ribosomes, all of these. Now correct answer option number D, all of these. Next question. Why do RNA viruses tend to have unusually high rates of mutation? RNA viruses can incorporate a variety of non-standard bases. Replication of their genome does not involve proofreading. Now correct answer is option number B. Next question. A protein that binds to the operator and blocks the RNA polymerase. रेगुलेटर, रेप्रेशर, एक्टिवेटर या फिर को रिप्रेशर. करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रिप्रेशर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बिफोर DNA animals were classified by. Before DNA animals were classified. Types of cells, RNA, geographical distribution, visible characteristics feature. Now correct answer option number D, visible characteristic features or classified animals. Next question. Prokaryotic cells do not have membrane bound organelles, cell membrane, DNA or RNA या फिर life. Now correct answer option number A, cell membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. Now next question. Viruses are considered to be non-living. Very small bacteria are linked between life and non-life. Correct answer option number A, non-living. Now next question. A chloroplast converts dash into dash. Energy glucose, glucose energy, protein energy, protein glucose. Correct answer option number A, energy into glucose. All viruses have at least the following: nucleic acid and sheath, protein coat and tail fibers, protein coat and base plate, or protein coat and nucleic acid. Correct answer option number D, protein coat and nucleic acid. Now next question. I can be either a heterotroph or an autotroph. First can be either multicellular or unicellular. First can have cell walls or not. The only thing for sure about me is that I have a nucleus in my cells. I am kingdom. Plantae, Protista, Animalia of OZ. Correct answer option number B, Protista. Now next question. Spherical prokaryote, that means spherical bacteria called as coccus. Now correct answer option number A. Which viral life cycle allows viral genetic material to lay dormant while the host cell reproduce? Lytic, mitosis or lysogenic या S phase. Correct answer option number C, lysogenic. Now next question 36. The complexity of living system is the single defining characteristic of living things, or is found only in humans, is also highly organized, is unique to living system. Now correct answer option number C, is also highly organized. Next question. Viral sexually transmitted disease adds, cold, warts, none of them. Correct answer option number A, viral sexually transmitted diseases AIDS. Next, contain a nucleoid region made up of DNA, viruses, bacteria, both viruses and bacteria, neither virus or bacteria. Now correct answer option number B, bacteria. To what would the phrases is not a cell but has the ability to produce within a living cell best describe alga, yeast, bacterium, viruses. Now correct answer option number D, a viruses. Next question. Viruses can also be called flagella, parasites, decomposers, pathogens. Now correct answer is option number B, parasites, obligate parasites. Very important these points. Viruses are also called as obligate parasites because they are not survival out of host cell. Now next question. Endospores are created by bacteria when environmental conditions become unfavorable to female bacteria as a defense mechanism against invading viruses when they produce eggs. Now correct answer option number A. Next question. Can genetic material can be double our single stranded DNA, double, single, both, neither. So viruses have genetic material double stranded as well as single stranded. Now correct answer option number C, both. Next question, in which of the following organelles is the cell's energy like ATP produces? Nucleus, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. The prokaryotic cells like bacteria or other organism produces ATP or energy through mitochondria. Now correct answer option number D is mitochondria. But viruses, they have not organelles. Now correct answer option number A, nucleus. Next question. What is found in both plant and animal cell but is much larger in plant cell? Nucleus, mitochondrion, chloroplast, vacuole. Correct answer option number D, vacuole. Vacuole larger than animal cell present in plant cell. Next question. What is the name of stretch of DNA where RNA polymerase bind? Operator, promoter, anchor, origin. Correct answer option number B, promoter. Next question. Examples are mushrooms and yeast, fungi, protista, plantae, animalia. Correct answer option number A, fungi. Yeast, mushroom, molds or belong to kingdom fungi. Next question 47. Conjugation, sexual reproduction, the passing of a DNA plasmid from one bacteria to another, the joining of sentences with the words and or, the way bacteria make food. Now correct answer conjugation is the passing of DNA plasmid from one bacteria to another. Option number B is correct. B is correct. Now next question, viral DNA that is inserted into the chromosome of a host bacterium is called an associated viral infection, a lytic infection, a viroid or prophase. Now correct answer option number D, aprophase. Next question, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves dash parent organism. One, too many, it depends on the specific type. Now correct answer option number A, 1. Next question, a computer viruses can be. Next question, a pathogen becoming stronger over time until it can no longer to treated by usual method is known as immunization, antibiotic resistant, lysogenic cycle, or memory cell misfunction. Now correct answer option number B, antibiotic resistant. Next question, are 200 to 300 nm in size. Viruses, bacteria, both viruses and bacteria, or none of above. Now correct answer option number A, viruses. Viruses 0.02 micromillimeter to 0.03 micromilli. Okay. Next question, what do viruses and cells have in common? Viruses and cells have common, they both obtain use energy, they both contain genetic material, they both respond to the environment, they both contain organelles. Now correct answer option number B, they both contain genetic material. Now next question, which of the following is not a viral shape? Rod-shaped, helical, isohedral envelope. Correct answer option number A, rod-shaped. Rod-shaped is a bacteria, not a viral. Hence, option number A is correct. Next question, which statement is true about virus reproduction? Viruses can reproduce on their own. Viruses need a host cell to reproduce. Option number B is correct. Now next question, which two organisms are eukaryotic, contain a cell nucleus and are considered living? Viruses and plant cell, bacteria and animal cell, plant and animal cell, viruses and animal cell. Now correct answer option number C, plant and animal cells, eukaryotic cells, they have true nucleus. Next question, mitosis produces dash cell per round. 1, 2, 4, many. Correct answer option number B, 2. 2 cells produce per round of mitosis. Next question, non-living organism that cannot grow and reproduce without a host or living cell. Now correct answer option number B, viruses. Next question, viruses or living organism? True, false, certain, none of them. Correct answer option number C, uncertain, because they are connecting link non-living and living things. Next question, which is the function of a flagellum? Flagella, food production, movement, protein synthesis, reproduction. Correct answer option number B, flagella responsible for movement. Next question, which of the following units are repeatedly joined together to form a strand of DNA? Amino acids, nucleotides, fatty acids, polysaccharides. Correct option number B, nucleotides. Next question, Why do viruses need a host cell? Because they cannot survive without a host cell. Option number C is correct. Next question. The organism that a virus enters and uses to reproduce is called host, parasite, guest, none of them. Correct answer option number A, host cell. Next question. How many different host species a virus typically able to infect? Only one. They are specific species in the same genus, species in the same family, species in the same kingdom. Correct answer option number A, only one. They are specific. Next question, question number 65. Which statement is true about viruses? Viruses can eat and metabolize food. Viruses can reproduce only using a host cell. Viruses can reproduce on their own anytime. Viruses contain DNA, so they are alive. Here correct answer option number B. Viruses can reproduce only using a host cell. Now next question. The process through which the monosaccharides are joined together to form a polysaccharide is known as. When monomer joined and form polysaccharide chain, this process called as dehydration synthesis. Now correct option number A, dehydration synthesis. Next question. Contains genetic information in the form of DNA or RNA. They are viruses. Next question. All of them following are found in both plant and animal cell except large central vacuole, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane. Correct answer option number A, large central vacuole present only in plant cell. What is the first step of virus infection? Entry, attachment, replication, assembly. Correct answer option number B, attachment. Next question. Extremophiles are examples of. Extremophiles are example of Protista, animals, Archaeobacteria. Correct answer option number C, Archaeobacteria. Bacteria plays in kingdom Monera. Now next question. In a bacteriophage, the sheath does this: contract to force viral genetic material into host cell, produce DNA, produce RNA, contains the hereditary information. Correct answer option number A. Next question. Which of the following is characteristic of the lytic cycle? Now correct answer option number A. A large number of phases are released at a time. Next question. What is the difference between prokaryotic cell, bacteria and a eukaryotic cell? Correct answer option number D. Pro, no nucleus, U means nucleus, true nucleus. Next question. In order to replicate, viruses use host cell, their own resources, each other, none of them. Correct answer option number A. Next question. Rod-shaped prokaryotes, now called as bacillus. Correct answer option number C. Next question. What are pathogens? Disease causing germs called as pathogens. Correct answer option number D. Next question. Which of the following is not used as a certain to classify viruses? Biochemical test, morphology, nucleic acid size. Correct answer option number A. Next, what is the outer layer of viruses called? Capsid. Correct answer option number B. Next question, when a virus enters a cell and it immediately makes copies of itself, this is process called as replication. Next question, adenine bonds with thymine, 2 hydrogen bonds, when cytosine bonding with guanosine through 3 hydrogen bond. Now correct answer option number B. Next question, transgenic organisms are organisms that have genes from different species. Now option number A is correct. Define obligate parasites. Obligate parasites can only replicate on the outer side of another, can only replicate within an other living cell, cannot replicate an living cell, none of them. Now correct answer option number B. Next question, what did traditional classification take into accounts when putting organism in the categories? Now correct answer option number C, similar appearance. Next question, cells that have a true nucleus are called true nucleus. These are cells contain true nucleus called as eukaryotes. Next question, question number 85. HIV is an example of which type of virus? Now HIV is a retrovirus. Option number D is correct. Next question, viruses use the host cell copy themselves and then viruses to synthesize their own proteins, metabolize food to produce their own OTP, use the host cell copy themselves and make viral protein. Now correct answer option number C. Next, in order for a viruses to get inside a cell, they must first synthesis, assembly, attach or release. Correct answer option number C, attach. Next question, what part of a virus is the protein capsule that surrounds and protects the genetic material, DNA or RNA? Now this is a capsid. Next question, the head of the bacteriophage sides or long tail. Now correct answer option number C, tail. Next question, what do eukaryotes and prokaryotes both share? Ribosome, cytoplasm, DNA, ribosome, cytoplasm as well as DNA. Correct answer option number D. Next question, rest of question you can solve itself. Thanks for watching.